of people ask me, what does financial freedom mean to you? Because for me, it means being able to travel the world and go to really cool places, or to be able to be with your family, for example. My real definition is to be able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whomever you want, anytime you want to do it.
This program allows you the freedom to enjoy life and not necessarily be tied to a desk or having to go into an office. It's impacted my life in such a positive way that not only am I, making money weekly, but I'm also have the freedom to really enjoy life everywhere in the world.
The potential to add an additional avenue of revenue both today and perhaps in whatever form of retirement is ideal for you. And I think that's what Cash Flow Machine does for you. It gives you a method. I went from a lot of stress about it to feeling incredibly confident and comfortable, and it can be both fun and quite rewarding financially. So yeah, it's just open to unlimited potential. It's tremendous. Very appreciative. Thank you, Mike.
I have a better understanding or better feel for my future. Instead of just wondering when will I have enough money for retirement, I feel like you can see your accounts growing, you can see where your money is going, and I'll be able to retire by 60 instead of 65 and be able to live comfortably, and I'll still be able to do this investment strategy long term.
It just has been a wonderful experience. Mark has always been a wonderful mentor. If I had any questions, he will always answer and be readily available.
The benefits of being in the Wealth Investors Club are that you get to see that vision come to life through mentorship, through community, through masterminding, and through knowledge.